When you buy a Porsche Boxster that is 20 years of age, you don't expect a pristine car. You expect the noises, the quirks. Not everything is going to be perfect. Now, I've owned this car for nigh on 9 months and it's currently done 112,000 miles. And I've dailied this car pretty much. I've also taken it on road trips to France, to West Wales, and it's held up meticulously well. But there are some issues with the car, and I thought I would do a video to show you all of the problems I currently have with this 20-year-old Porsche Boxster 2.7. So, if you have watched some of my other videos, you will know that me and my friend John fitted an aftermarket exhaust. And we didn't fit it very well, so it was blowing. And that was one of the first jobs I wanted to tackle, which the other day I did manage to do. So it has now stopped blowing, but I'm still not 100% confident in my ability. So I'm gonna have to keep a watchful eye on that. The other thing that I definitely want to look at over the next probably 3 to 6 months is the alloys. Now, the alloys, I'm undecided on colour, but one of them definitely needs a refurb. So I need to get on that, and it's not just some curbing, it is slightly bent. Every now and then I get a little bit of a whine on startup, which doesn't really affect the car, but it just annoys me and it just sounds a little bit ugly and, dare I say, old. As in, it sounds like I'm driving a really old car, which I know I am, but still, I want to make it as perfect as I possibly can. So I'm probably going to need to replace the starter motor. It's also developed a very slight whine. Now, this is an intermittent whine, and it feels and sounds like it's coming from the engine, so directly behind me. Someone very kindly commented in one of my previous videos that it could be the water pump. I am no mechanic. Again, if you watch this channel, you will know that I am definitely not a mechanic. So I need to have a look at that. And I just want the car to be serviced really, really well. It does need an oil change as well. Now, I am not confident enough at the moment to do that oil change. So I am going to have to give it to a mechanic friend of mine to do that for me. But there are some other squeaks and noises that I also want to look at, like the suspension. Now, we already know that the Boxster is an incredible driving machine around the bends and corners, and I'm very fortunate to live in Wales, so I've got some incredible roads to drive this car on. But there is a slight knocking noise from the left and the right on this car, so I want to have a look at that. And again, it could be bushes, it could be suspension, but first off, I'm going to upgrade the bushes, and secondly, I do want to have a look at suspension setups. And if you do have any recommendations on this for this car, please drop it into the comments. I am all ears. I want to make this car as good as it can possibly be. I also changed the steering wheel on this car to a Momo Prototipo. I wanted that kind of bit of a retro style to this car, and I have got a vision for what I want this car to look like in the end, but maybe that's a video for another day. Now, on changing this, what happened was I now have an airbag light, because obviously it has no airbag, which I know is controversial in itself. But I need to basically get a piece of wiring to stop that airbag light from coming on. Now, it's not really affecting the car, it's just more of an annoying red light on the dash, which I would like to get rid of. I also have a PSM warning light on the dash as well, which someone else very kindly commented on a previous video to say, disconnect the battery, reconnect it, take it for a hard drive, and it should be okay. Now let's come on to the cosmetics of this car. It is 20 years of age. Of course, it's going to show signs of age. Stone chips, scratches, light marks. I actually really like the grey, but it's grey. So I do want to change the colour of this car, and I don't think that's a full spray job. I think that's going to end up being a wrap job. Whether I take that on myself or get some help in, I don't know, I'm undecided. But let me know in the comments what color you would like to see this car. The other thing that I want to look at is the brake calipers. Again, they're just looking old and grubby, and whilst yes, I could just clean them, I would like to paint them a color, either in that classic Porsche red or even the Porsche yellow. I don't know, maybe even go a little bit more wild with the color, who knows. Again, let me know in the comments if you would paint them a certain color. But overall, it just looks a little bit tired, so I really want to make it look fresh while still having that retro feel to it. There's other little things like the Porsche badge on the bonnet that just needs a new surround. I think I can clean up that badge pretty well, but it is going to need that new rubber surround, and I have checked on eBay. I think they're going for about 15 to 20 pounds. So again, it's a really cheap and easy win for this car. All in all, for a 20-year-old car, I think it's still going pretty strong. There's a lot of stuff in my head that I want to do to this car, but I think mechanically we need to get it absolutely sound to enjoy 2026 and hopefully the weather that 2026 is going to bring. But on this day, it is currently 4.5 degrees, so it is not warm, but the sun is shining, and I think we should get the roof down and take you guys for a little bit of a spin.
Where are we going?
Go for a spin up the road. Got your heated seat on?
Yeah, heated everything
Sorry, it's gone up to 7.5 degrees now.
though. Oh.